Hello and welcome back in Demon Slayer series. Today we're gonna break down 7th episode of Demon Slayer season 4. It continues with Tanjiro successfully moving the huge boulder as part of his training under the strong Hashira. This evokes interesting reaction from his friends. Inosuke managed to move his boulder as well while Zenitsu is horrified. At that moment, Zenitsu's messenger Sparrow arrives with a note that changed something in him. After Tanjiro completes his mission, he prepares to say goodbye to world, feeling he is going to die of dehydration, but Stone Hashira comes to rescue him. Gyumi acknowledged Tanjiro to putting the life of humans before his demon sister at the Swordman village. Tanjiro quickly corrects him, saying that it was Nezuko's decision and not him. Gyumi appreciates his honesty for speaking the truth. The Stone Hashira then narrates his story. It reveals that he is blind and used to be among raising children at an orphanage. One night, a children left his temple at night and encounter a demon, convincing it to spare him for Gyumi and the others. The demon killed a few children first, while Gyumi asked the other to stay behind him. They did not trust their blind teacher and tried to escape, but they were quickly killed. One of the little girls, Soyo, did as she was told, purporting Gyumi to trickle the demon. His solo motive was to protect Soyo. In the course of this, he discovered his extraordinary strength as he kept punching the demon until sunrise, when it vaporized due to the trauma. Soyo mistook Gyumi for the killer and he was imprisoned until Kagaya Obishuki took him in. Then the Hashiras appreciate Tanjiro by saying, "But you never run off, you never turned your gaze away, you never lied, you were pure and single-minded." After dinner, Tanjiro visits Zenitsu to give him his share of fish but find him different than usual. He leaves Zenitsu recurrently and we briefly witness Zenitsu being serious as he comments, "This is one thing I have to do no matter what," while having the letter he had received in his hand. Tanjiro arrives at Water Hashira Gyoi resident to find him sparring with Wind Hashira. The Wind Hashira leave after getting irritated by Tanjiro, while Gyoi explained that their sparring was part of their Hashira training. While returning from other Hashira's resident, the Wind Hashira come across a demon eye and squash it. It realized they have been infiltrated as Muzan Kobutsuchi make his way to Ubishuki Mansion. And there the end of the episode. Hope you like it. See you in the next video.